Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing batteries or unplugging USB-C so you can perform a clean power reset. You do this to rule out simple power faults. A drained or shorted pack often looks like controller failure. Once done, visually inspect the battery contacts and the USB-C port for dirt or bent pins, because debris prevents charging and data connections. Grab a fresh AA battery pack and a known good USB-C cable. You will use them immediately to isolate power versus hardware problems. Now connect the controller with the known good USB-C cable to test wired functionality. This isolates Bluetooth and RF issues. If wired works, sync wirelessly by holding the console pair button, then the controller pair for 3 to 5 seconds. This reestablishes a clean link. Make sure to update the controller firmware using console settings or the Xbox Accessories app, because outdated firmware causes input lag and dropouts. Once updated, test every button and stick to verify responsiveness and calibration. If problems persist, open the controller only if you accept warranty risk. Reseat the internal battery connector and inspect ribbon cables, because loose internals create intermittent failures. Clean stick pivots and button contacts with 90% isopropyl and short bursts of compressed air to remove grime that blocks signals. Reassemble and test on another console or PC to confirm whether the controller itself is faulty. If you still see no response, your last practical step is replacement or authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.